Here I am in Jackson, Tennessee, and I'm continuing my trip at the Red Barn Antique Mall. What a cute book. It's like their original Dr. Seuss, What Pet Should I Get? More antique-y antiques. I love the pink Fostoria though. Ooh. It's got some wear to it though. Yeah, a bunch of metal enamel. Oh my gosh, a sunflower. $8.50. I think I can get away with that. And then this one's $6.50. Oh. All right, let me pull some down. I love the daisy and the red, white, and blue. I gotta make sure they all open and close properly. This rose is fantastic. Oh, I should probably show it, shouldn't I? Just trying to get it off. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Look at this. Vintage milk glass. Oh no, that's not what I thought. Okay, maybe this one's more expensive because this is amazing. $5 vintage banana necklace. These Hong Kong plastics are super hard to find. Oh my gosh, I'm about to rip this thing off. This is amazing. Okay, hold up. Let me get my bearings. All right, so I'm definitely getting the corn necklace. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to sell that. That's so amazing. This is one of the searches I follow on Etsy for the vintage plastic Hong Kong necklaces. This one is at $6. It's not perfect. The sunflower one, I'm gonna have to get at $8.50. That's fantastic. I'm not sure about this one. This one's got a little bit of wear. And this one's really fun. I think I can be able to clean it up just enough. At $8.50 though, I am a little uncertain about the amount of wear it has on it though. Oh, but definitely these two. I also really love the squirrels, but the poodles are fun, but they're both at $8.50 each, which is just a little close, I fear. Yeah, I'm a little uncertain about how much wear this has. Even if I clean it up, it's got some paint missing. And this one, it's off center a little bit. I'm gonna put these ones back. I know that's crazy, but I have to remind myself, like I've been saying, it's only day 4 of a 6-week trip. And I know I normally don't pick up stuff with nickel in it, but the pendant alone, it's a vintage unicorn pendant, and it's only $5 with the rhinestone eye. That's not something I see every day, so I'm gonna grab that too. And then the J. Chen recipe box, $24. Ooh, look at this ashtray. That's a really fun size, 18. That's a super fair price for a collector. That's about what I get for those after fees. And I love the, wait, butt snuffer? Stop. Unfortunately, it's at $15, but it's got an actual butt in it, which is kind of a game changer. I think I could make a couple bucks off that, but with the little bit of paint loss it has, it's a little hard to justify spending that much. This is a really neat set too, $35. This is kind of a neat bag. $40. Vintage, like new. No, like new. There's no vintage in the title, but it looks vintage. That's very cool. I have to look out of principle. $47. That one's $25. That one's missing some stuff. I'm gonna assume they're all in that range. Oh my gosh, that lamp planter back there. All right, I need to see how much that is. That's a rare one. So it's $24. It's got a little bit of wear on the ears. I still think I could make a couple bucks off that. Well, I know I could make a couple bucks off that, but I don't want to have that much invested in it. I'm not much of a button person, but these are so sweet. How much are they? $5. I don't know if I could get anything out of that. It would be pretty close. So cute though. Oh, and I love the pin cushion. That one's at $12. That's a little close for me too. Although pin cushions have been doing really well. I was looking to see if it had a measuring tape attached to it. So that usually adds some value. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. This is like the holy grail. Okay, I can do this. Oh. Is it a Russian? It doesn't feel right. The face is right though. It's like almost been remade. It says $100. I'm curious about this. You guys, I am like literally screaming right now. This is exactly what they say it is. It's super rare. It's got the original tag, Russian company. I've never seen this version. I've never seen a complete one. There's one that sold on eBay as a buy it now for $400. Now, I will say a Russian bunny is actually the most expensive thing I've ever sold. The last one I sold went for $850. $100 and worth every penny. Okay, I've calmed down a little. Now I need to know what's going on with little Bo Peep up here. She's really hard to get down and she's got 22. Okay, I can leave that. This is not easy to maneuver. The other thing I gotta see is this teapot that is so cute. That's at 35. I think I could still make some money off of it, but maybe not enough to justify spending that much. It's gonna be really hard to come back from this. I'm like buzzing right now. Oh my gosh, look at that cat. Epic. Oh my gosh, another one of my favorite things to find, unfortunately at $125. Oh, that's amazing. I wouldn't even want to ship that though. It's solid chalkware. What about this compact? $7. Is the mirror intact? That's a big one. Hold on, I need both hands. It is $7. I'll take it. I'm also very curious about what is happening here. It's a pendant. Very cool. For $3, I'll take that too. People are always asking me for rosaries, and I have a hard time picking them out, honestly. Like this one's really pretty. This one's $21 though. Whoa. I don't see a price on it though. Is it? I don't think it is that. Yeah, unfortunately it doesn't have a price. It's very cool. Kind of searching around here. I feel like it would have more information than, and it would probably, yeah, I'm gonna assume that this came off this. Oh, it's fantastic though. I found the tag, so I think what happened was somebody opened it up because they were curious. So it's vintage rosary in box, $15. I kind of feel like that's a good deal. Oh, I'm a little uncertain though at that price. Wow, look at this amazing Cinderella book. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I'm sure it's expensive, but I have to know. Oh, Anita Collins style. Sure, whatever. $15 with like blue flamingos on it. You kidding me? I have to get that. It's got some wear, but at $15, I feel pretty confident. All right, so I dropped some stuff off. I'm looking at this little head vase. How much is, okay, so that one's 40. I'm gonna assume that one's about the same. I'm gonna look at the other side. I also see Hold Howard and this, which is incredibly rare. I've never even seen one in real life. And of course the fuzzy ceramic cats. Okay, so these are at 38, so they're definitely a little hip to it. I need to know how much that is though. How much does that tag say? Yeah, so that one's at 95. And I can't see Hold Howard, but I'm gonna assume it's expensive. I'm gonna look anyway. Yeah, unfortunately, the Cozy Kitty Cottage cheese jar is at 70. I think this is fantastic. I would buy this for myself if I was a camper or had like any excuse. It's only $30, which is insane. It's a little too big for me to get for resale. I don't feel like messing with that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's locked. That one's 45. I'm gonna assume some of the squeaks are spendy. I love the Edward Mobley Tiger. Yeah, 35. 15 on the lamb. So pretty close to retail. The one thing I do notice is the little nurse down here. Trying to read the tag. I'm sure it's about retail though. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to turn this corner. dude. Oh, look at this. Vintage nursery rhyme tin, $10. Made in England, sold. I'm obsessed with this thing. Oh my gosh. $15? I really want to get that. It's really oversized for me though. Let me measure it. Oh my gosh, but I just noticed they have the elephant too. I think this one would at least fit in a 15. See, you have to go to Walmart anyway at some point. So if I have to get a couple 15 cube boxes or something, maybe I can. Oh, I don't want to mess with them, but they're so cute. So the hippo's definitely oversized. The elephant might be able to get away with it's a couple inches shorter. I'm really having a hard time leaving these here. I'm gonna do this little nook, and oh my gosh. Bambi cross-stitch growth chart. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna spend a fortune in here. Well, this is easy to ship. It's $20, but it's in pretty good condition, all things considered. I think this will sell very well. I'm gonna pick this up. I love these wall arts, but I just think it's too big and bulky for me. I'm gonna keep going and come back to this booth. Oh my gosh, look at so much cute stuff. The ballerina. What is this little music box? Norcrest, Japan. Dude, what? 25. I still think I could make money off that. Norcrest Easter is really hard to find. It's definitely more than I'd like to have invested in it though. Oh, I'm gonna pass. I feel weird passing, but it's just a little much. Oh, what is this? 28 dot? No, that's not it. $8.50. Cat. Sold. Let me get a key. And when I get the key to that, I'm also gonna get a key to see what the price on the little squeak nurse is. Well, I've been very vocal about how my spending has been pretty tight until right now. I did get the little squeak nurse. It was $15, but it was in pristine condition. I've only had one once and it was damaged. It sold immediately and everybody wanted it, and it even squeaked. This is so cute, and this is only $6. I think I'm gonna grab this too. Oh, and I also got that incredible cat bank thing. And the ballerina, 16, and the lipstick holder, 15. That's a good price, but it's got a little, it's more for a collector at that price than me. Oh my gosh, look at this doll. That's incredible. What's happening here? $13. I don't think I could get much out of that. It's probably about what that would sell for. Very neat though, unique. Well, I see some kitsch mixed in here. Man, and just when I thought I wasn't gonna find any kitsch, I see some stuff, but nothing I haven't really seen before. It's gonna be hard to top what's happened so far. However, look at this wreath. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's got this huge weird tulle bow on it. 35. Okay. That's probably around what I'd sell that for too. Fantastic though. What is this? $5. That's very cool. I love the graphic on that. I'm gonna get that. It's $5. So I spent $238 in there. What a steal. Now the process of stuffing this stuff in the car begins.